Good morning, student. Today we are going to study an interesting event, that is Well of Death or Maut Ka Kuwa. I hope you all have seen this in fair or in circus. So you know that in a cylindrical well, an stuntman is riding a bike on the wall without sleeping and without silencer also. So do you think why this rider and this bike is not sleeping down, and what will be the minimum velocity so that it will remain in the circular motion? So that is our topic today. So let us study and let us find the expression for the minimum speed of the bike so that it will not sleep in well of death. So consider one cylindrical well which is which is drawn on the paper. See here. So that point we'll consider as a bike rider. So in this case, the bike is riding on the cylindrical wall. Okay, let R be the radius of this circle. Then the bike is on the wall. Its weight is acting on the wall. At the same time, wall is giving normal reaction in the opposite direction, that is towards the center. So N is the normal reaction acting towards the center. And also the forces, two more forces acting here are the weight mg acting vertically downward and the frictional force between the tire and the wall, which is acting vertically upward. This frictional force balances your weight mg so that it will not slip down. If the frictional force is less than mg, then what will happen? The mg will not be balanced and the bike will slip down. So without sleeping, there is a one condition, that your frictional force must be greater than mg, the weight acting vertically downward. And also the normal reaction balances your centrifugal force so that it can perform circular motion. So which are the three forces acting here? See, number one is the normal reaction N of wall acting horizontally and towards the center. Second, weight mg acting vertically downward. And third one, the force of static friction between the wall and the tires acting vertically upward. So here the normal reaction is the resultant centripetal force and it balances centrifugal force. Therefore, we can write the equation normal reaction N is equal to mr omega square, which is equal to mv square upon r. Let's recall this as equation number 1. Then static friction balances mg and prevents downward slipping of vehicle. If frictional force is less than mg, the vehicle will slip down. So to write on the wall, the frictional force must be greater than mg. So greater than and equal to mg. Therefore we can write Fs is greater than and equal to mg. But we know that frictional force is equal to mu s into n, where mu s is the coefficient of static friction and n is normal reaction. So let us substitute this value of Fs in the above equation. So therefore we'll get mu s is equal to mu s n is greater than and equal to mg. Therefore now normal reaction is equal to mv square upon r, which we have already seen in equation number 1. So let us substitute. So we'll get mu s mv square upon r is greater than and equal to mg. mm get cancelled from both the sides. Therefore we'll get the equation mu s v square upon r is greater than and equal to g. So let us rearrange it. So we'll get v square is greater than and equal to rg upon mu s. Taking square root on both the sides, we'll get v is greater than and equal to under root rg upon mu s. So this is the speed. So therefore minimum speed v is equal to under root rg upon mu s. So this is the expression for minimum velocity of the vehicle to perform the stunt in a well of death. It should be minimum or greater than this speed it should be. Then and then only you can ride the bike in the well of death. So let us solve one problem on this expression. See, one problem. During a stunt, a cyclist is undertaking horizontal circle inside a cylindrical well of radius 6.05 meter. If the necessary friction coefficient is 0.5, how much minimum speed should the stunt artist maintain? Mass of the artist is 50 kg. If he or she increases the speed by 20%, how much will the force of friction be? So in this problem, what is given to us? R, that is the radius of the well, it is equal to 6.05 meter. Then coefficient of static friction is given 0.5. Mass of the artist given 50 kg. And let's take here the gravitational force, gravitational acceleration g, it is equal to 10 meter per second square, small g. So already we have seen the expression, the minimum speed of the artist must be equal to under root rg mu s. So let us substitute the values. R is 6.05 under root 6.05 into 10 upon 0.5. If you will multiply this 6.05 into 10, it will become 60.5 upon 0.5. So here again this points divided by 10 will get cancelled and you will get under root 605 upon 5, which is equal to root 121. So square root of 121 is 11. So therefore the minimum velocity the artist should maintain is 11 meter per second. Now the second question here asked is that if the speed is increased by 20%, how much will the force of friction be? So we know that the force of friction here balances the weight. It is not depend on any speed. So keep in mind. So here force of friction is equal to mass m into g, which is equal to mass is given 50, mass of the artist, into g is 10. So it is equal to 500 Newton. So don't get confused about the 20% increase in the speed. So here the frictional force balances the weight mg. Keep in mind. Okay. So I hope you might have understood this problem. So one more such a problem is solved in the textbook. So go through that problem and solve that problem in your notebook, and also solve this expression also. Okay, so find the expression for the minimum speed the stunt artist should maintain in well of death. So find out this expression and solve one solved problem from the textbook. This is your homework. I hope you have understood this event, and if you have any doubt, ask me. Bye.